Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2013 Hyundai Elantra GLS. This is a 5-passenger sedan in Harbor Gray, and under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder driving on 16-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our trunk release button, which we will get to in just a moment. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom you have some storage space that runs along the entire side. Above that, you'll find your power windows, locks, and mirrors. This Elantra is equipped with all-weather mats and light gray fabric seating. And on the bottom, you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have these buttons right here, and this will just help you control the entertainment screen and the audio. Underneath, you'll find your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right, you have your cruise control, and on the bottom, you have your trip and your trip reset button. And just to show you that this Elantra does have 68,938 kilometers. Moving on to our little display, right now we are on FM. You can cycle by pressing this radio button. You can also connect your phone by pressing this phone. Underneath, we have our climate control system. This big dial controls the temperature, and then this dial within that dial controls the intensity. You also have your driver and passenger heated seats. Underneath, we have a nice little storage compartment that features your USB and auxiliary ports as well as your 12-volt outlet. And lastly, behind the shifter, you of course have your 2 cup holders. Before we open the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom, you have some storage space, just like the driver's side door. The rear passengers have their own heated seats as well. Continuing with the all-weather mats and light gray fabric seating. And if we look inside here, we can pull this down, giving you access to 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. To open up, all we got to do is hold this third button on our key fob, and that trunk will open for us. Take a look in the back. There's plenty of room in this sedan. If we look underneath here, we will find the tools and your spare tire to change that in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, just give this a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2013 Hyundai Elantra GLS. Once again, some of those great interior features include your front and rear passenger heated seats, Bluetooth compatibility, and hands-free calling. Still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.